got a UPS package delivered, but I wasn't expecting anything, so let's go and see what the hell it is. Do you know what it is? What is this? I really have no idea what this is. I know what this is for my skincare brand. Oh my god, so cute. This is for my skincare brand Nanimonai. They are these little wristbands. And then these are gonna come in a set with this. These came so fast. These headbands. I'm obviously gonna keep one of these for me. So cute. So these wristbands are so water doesn't drop down your wrists. Love these surprise deliveries.